In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the progress bar feature on Monday.com. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or are just getting started with Monday.com, the progress bar can be an invaluable tool for tracking the status of your projects at a glance. Let's begin by heading over to the Monday.com website. If you're not already familiar with Monday.com, it's an online platform designed to help teams manage tasks and projects with greater efficiency and transparency. You can find it easily with a quick web search or simply go to their website. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right of the page and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you'll be able to access your personal dashboard containing all your boards and tasks. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to sign up first. But for now, just click on Login. Here, you'll see several options to sign in, such as entering your email and password, or using single sign-on methods like Google. To make things smooth and secure, click on the Google option and choose the Google account connected to your Monday.com. This is a quick and secure way to log in without needing to remember yet another password. After logging in, navigate to the specific board you want to work with. The board is essentially your project workspace where you'll see all the tasks laid out. Heading to the board is simple. Just find it listed in your workspace and click to open. Now, within your board, there will be areas dedicated to tasks, and these tasks can often have subitems, which are smaller tasks or steps contributing to the larger task. Open the subitem you want to focus on. Subitems are crucial for breaking down complex projects into manageable pieces and allow you to track the progress of each step. Next, direct your attention to the status column. This is a key feature on Monday.com as it allows you to visually track the progress. By default, the status column can display various stages like in progress, completed, or stuck. It's an intuitive way to keep teams updated on where things stand. To utilize the progress bar, click on the three dots located in the status column. This action presents you with several options to tailor the status display. Among these options, you'll find the feature to show summary on parent item. Clicking on this will activate the progress bar. Enabling the show summary on parent item will allow you to see a visual representation of how much progress has been made on the parent task by summarizing the statuses of all its subitems. This visual indicator can be incredibly powerful for identifying which tasks are on track and which need more attention. And with that, you've successfully set up the progress bar on your Monday.com board. This tool not only helps in visually tracking the status of your projects, but also ensures that your team remains in sync and productive. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you take your project management to the next level on Monday.com.